Diving deep into Scikit-learn's Extra Trees Classifier, a comprehensive guide. The Extra Trees Classifier in Scikit-learn is a powerful ensemble method that leverages the concept of random forests but with an extra layer of randomness. This added randomness makes it an effective tool for dealing with high-dimensional datasets and minimizing overfitting. Understanding the core ensemble learning Extra Trees Classifier belongs to the family of ensemble methods. It combines multiple decision trees, each trained on a different subset of the data and features, to make a collective decision. This principle of wisdom of the crowd often leads to better generalization and robustness compared to individual trees. Random Forest Foundation Extra Trees Classifier builds upon the foundation of random forests, but it introduces additional randomness during the tree construction process. Extra randomness. The extra in extra trees refers to the extra randomization applied during the tree building process. This randomness comes in two forms: random subset of features at each node split. A random subset of features is considered instead of all features. This encourages diversity among the trees and helps break down potential feature dependencies. Random thresholds. Instead of searching for the optimal splitting threshold for each feature, random thresholds are generated and used to split the data. This further adds to the randomness and prevents overfitting by focusing less on finding the absolute best split. Key advantages of Extra Trees Classifier: high accuracy and robustness due to the ensemble nature and the extra randomness. Extra Trees Classifiers often achieve high accuracy and are less prone to overfitting than individual decision trees. Feature importance estimation. Similar to random forests, Extra Trees Classifiers can provide insights into the relative importance of features in the model. This can be helpful for feature selection and understanding the underlying relationships in the data. Handling high-dimensional data. The random selection of features makes Extra Trees particularly well suited for dealing with datasets that have a large number of features. Speed and efficiency. Extra Trees Classifiers are typically faster to train than traditional decision trees, especially for large datasets. This is because the randomness in feature selection and threshold selection reduces the computational complexity of finding optimal splits. Ease of use. Scikit-learn provides a user-friendly interface for using Extra Trees Classifiers, making them accessible for both beginners and experienced practitioners. Key parameters and considerations. Nestimators. This parameter controls the number of decision trees in the ensemble. Increasing the number of trees generally improves accuracy but increases training time. Max depth. This parameter sets the maximum depth of each individual decision tree. Limiting the depth can help prevent overfitting, especially with complex datasets. Min-sample split. This parameter specifies the minimum number of samples required to split a node. Setting a high value can prevent the trees from overfitting by limiting the creation of very specific splits. Min-samples leaf. This parameter defines the minimum number of samples required to be present in a leaf node. It helps prevent overfitting by ensuring that leaf nodes are not too small and specific. Max features. This parameter controls the number of features considered at each split. It can be set to an integer, a float representing a fraction of total features, or auto. Use cases. Classification tasks. Extra Trees Classifiers are a go-to choice for multi-class classification problems. Their robust nature and ability to handle high-dimensional data make them ideal for tasks like image classification, text categorization, and customer segmentation. Feature selection. Extra trees can be used to identify the most important features in a dataset. The feature importance scores can be used for dimensionality reduction or for focusing analysis on the most influential factors. Outlier detection due to their ability to handle noisy data. Extra trees classifiers can be used for anomaly detection. Trees that consistently misclassify outliers can be identified and their predictions adjusted. Predictive modeling. Extra trees classifiers can be used for building accurate predictive models, especially when the data is complex and features are correlated. Code example: Python. From sklearn, ensemble import extra trees classifier. From sklearn, datasets import load iris. From sklearn, model selection import train test split. Load the iris dataset. Iris load iris. X iris. Data. Y iris. Target. Split data into training and testing sets. X train. X test. Y train. Y test train test split X. Y. Test size 0.2. Random state 42. Create an extra trees classifier object. Model extra trees classifier estimators 100. Random state 42. Train the model. Model. Fit X train. Y train. Make predictions on the testing data. YPRED model. Predict X test. Evaluate the model's performance. From sklearn, metrics import accuracy score. Accuracy score test. YPRED. Printf accuracy. Conclusion. Extra trees classifier is a powerful and versatile ensemble method that combines the strengths of random forests with the added benefit of extra randomness. Its ability to handle high-dimensional data, minimize overfitting, and provide feature importance insights makes it a valuable tool for various machine learning applications. By carefully choosing the appropriate parameters, you can leverage the power of extra trees to build robust and accurate models.